Right then, for these, how we get them equal on there, yeah? Easiest way. Just measure down. Yeah, one about 100 mil off there, yeah? $19, yeah. $19. $19. $19. Bit of spitting slabber. Then what we do? Get your bracket, yeah? Go in and have a bit of that. Turn up that. Always drill them. These ones are that thin. You just split it, yeah? And then you fix them up. I do a 10-minute video here, yeah? Good, yeah? Sorry. Sorry. There for Ron. There for later on. Give me strength. Give me strength to carry on. I just do what I'm going to do now. So I'm just going to do one so you can see what we're doing. Alright, so that's it there, yeah? Hey, so like there. Slot that in there, and you are beautiful. That's what you want. Space, space, space. And that's what you call a job in town. Never drill too far, because you will go straight through the bath. Once you've done that, it is vital. This is vital. Some silicone. Is it alright, that tray, man? Is it good? Silicone, yeah? Beautiful. Screw that in. And then this is vital, people don't forget. To don't screw this in. The weight of that, someone in the bath pushes that down here. So you want a big little bit. Drill it. Screw it like that. Put your legs on. and you will never have a problem. This bath will never move. The next thing what you need to do is make sure when you put that on, you bottom up. And that's it. That's how you build a bath up. Plumber, and you do not silicone these wastes on, or put them on, or you just rely on the rubber. You're just a bellend. That's all you are. A bellend. And I'm sick and tired of you giving me a bad name. Do you know what I mean? Because guaranteed at some point or another, if you have not stuck this to this, this is going to leak. I guarantee that. That's the one thing I can guarantee in life. It's going to leak. Put some sealant on it. Stick it in. And you will never have to come back. Ever. A day in your life. See how easy that is? People who just rely on the rubber, it don't work. What happens is these customers, they get hairs jammed down it, then they stick a knife down it, start twisting it, that nut comes undone, then that washer, that trap just falls off. You stick it on, it will never go nowhere. It will never ever leak, it will never shrink, it will never do anything. And that is guaranteed, boys. That is like the birds and the bees and the trickly trees. Please pass boss, don't forget to like, share and follow. See, you know why? You know the difference between me, my car pine, and the merchant. The facts of the matter is, all they do is make it. They don't actually see how people use shit. Do you know what I mean? Day in, day out, I go into properties, I see what goes on. Do you know what I mean? If you're a good plumber like myself, you will understand the facts and the birds and the bees of life. You know what I mean? In a customer's property, nothing is what it seems. Because customers, they have these brainwave ideas, which is just, majority of the time, are just proper cocked up. You know what I mean? So if you do not bulletproof stuff, it will be leaking. I guarantee it will be leaking. And that is the difference between me and the manufacturer and a good plumber. We know what's going to happen. We see it. We see it. We've already seen it. You've already doing it. We've already seen it. You know what I mean? Peace, back, boss. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Best channel on TikTok. And Instagram. And Instagram now. I see this job, everything that I've come across on this job, it's just been a nightmare. So we know everything is just dodgy. Dodgy. So we've taken all the waste out. Now, by the looks of it, I took the floor up to clean it underneath. And I have found isolators. What do I say about isolators, lads? Do you know what I mean? Firstly, that reduces the flow to 8 mil, which is no good. After it goes through there, it can't expand there and fill that bath tap. No wonder everything's so slow. Do you know what I mean? Why do people do this? It does my tits in. So what we're going to have to do is, I'm going to have to track it back down there. When I go down there, underneath that floor down there, can we see? Oh yeah. So I'm going to go down there, and I'm going to cut it off, and I'm going to repipe the bathroom. It will only take me 10 minutes. It'll cost me 500 quid, but it'll take me 10 minutes. But I know it'll be done. And I know it'll be done banging. Now that is the difference between cheap, because that would have just got left in, guaranteed. I reckon 90% of plumbers would have just left that in. Just worked off it. But me, because I've seen it, I can't leave it in. Do you know what I mean? Because I know it's not good. That is not good. So we're going to have to change it. New bath tap.